Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe. I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to study chapter 10, tens and hundreds. Before that, I want to give you some instructions. Observe the method and solve the sums given in PDF in the notebook. Arrange the decimal number in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. Let us start with one example. 5.85, 8.97, 1.86, 3.44. Among these numbers, we will check the left side of the decimal point number, means we will check the whole numbers. We ignore the decimal point number. Among these numbers, which is the smallest number? 1.86. Now, out of these three numbers, which is the smallest number? 5.85, 8.97 or 3.44. So 3.44 we will write here. And among these two numbers, which number is smaller? 5.85 and 8.97 is the biggest number. This is the ascending order number. While we are arranging number in descending order, means we will arrange the number biggest number to smallest number. It is a totally opposite process of the ascending order. Means here we write the biggest number first, which is 8.97, 5.85, 3.44 and 1.86. Second example. Okay, 6.69, 6.54, 6.96 and 6.55. How to arrange this number in ascending order and descending order? Let us understand. First, how to arrange the number in ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. See here, left side number. First we compare this number. All these numbers are equal. 6, 6, 6, 6 and 6. Okay. So, what to do? Now we will compare the tens place value, means after the decimal point, which is the first value, we will compare that number. After the decimal point, here is a 6, 5, 9 and 5. Okay. So, we will write here 6.5 and here also 6.54. Here is a 6.55. So this is the smallest number. Then write here 6.55, 6.69 and 6.96. Now opposite of this process in descending order, out of these four numbers, which is the biggest number? See, start comparing from the tens value, because all the whole numbers value are equal, so we will compare at the tens place value. So which is the biggest number? Here is a 6, 5, 9 and 5. So this is the biggest number. We will write here 6.96. Then 6.69. Now out of these two numbers, here is a 6.54 and 6.55. So write here 6.54 and 6.55 and 6.54. Okay. Now third example. 8.613, 8.610, 8.629, 8.601. Now start, check the number, comparing the number. Here is a whole number 888, it is same. Tens value is also same. See here 6, 6, 6 and 6. If these tens value are equal, then we will move on the hundreds place value, that is a 1, 1, 2 and 0. Hundreds place value we will consider and ignoring this other value. Okay. So which is the smallest number among this number? 8.601, 8.601, then 8.613, 8.610 or 8.629. Here is a 1, here is a 1, but see here is a 0 and 3. So we'll write here 8.610, then 8.613, then 8.629. Now in descending order, it is a totally opposite process. We will write here biggest number first, that is a 8.629, 8.613, 8.610 and 8.601. Like this manner you can write ascending and descending order. What is the main thing? That while you are arranging decimal number in ascending and descending order, first see and compare the value of the left side of the decimal point, and if their number are same, then check the tens value. If tens value is same, then compare the hundreds place value. If 100 place value is same, then check thousands place value. Like this manner you can write ascending and descending numbers. I hope you have understood the method. You have to solve the sums given in PDF and mail it on given email ID.